Ever felt like you're juggling a million different apps just to manage your crypto? Different exchanges for buying, separate wallets for holding, and another platform entirely for DeFi? It can get overwhelming fast. Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a one-stop shop for everything crypto? Well, guess what? There might just be. Coinbase Wallet is more than just a place to store your crypto, it's a gateway to the entire crypto world. But with so many options out there, a crucial question remains: what cryptos can you actually hold on Coinbase Wallet? Let's dive in and explore the vast crypto universe within Coinbase Wallet, but before we do, a quick disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't be considered financial advice. Welcome to the Crypto Zoo. Imagine Coinbase Wallet as a giant crypto zoo. You've got your classic lions and elephants, the big-name cryptos like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, that everyone knows. But venture deeper, and you'll find a fascinating array of creatures, from the playful monkeys of meme coins to the majestic, multi-horned beasts of DeFi projects. The beauty of Coinbase Wallet is its support for a vast range of crypto assets, including major coins. We're talking the heavy hitters here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and many more. These established cryptos form the backbone of the crypto market and are a great starting point for any crypto enthusiast. ERC20 tokens, buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. ERC20 tokens are built on the Ethereum blockchain, offering a wide variety of functionalities. Whether you're looking for tokens that power decentralized applications, dApps, utility tokens for specific platforms, or even stablecoins pegged to real-world currencies, Coinbase Wallet has you covered. Popular examples include Uniswap, Uni, Chainlink, Link, and Tether, USDT. Other supported blockchains: while Ethereum dominates the ERC20 token space, Coinbase Wallet doesn't stop there. You can also store tokens built on other blockchains like Polygon, Matic, and Solana, SOL. This opens doors to exploring the ever-evolving world of DeFi and innovative new projects. Finding your crypto spirit animal. So, with this diverse crypto menagerie at your disposal, how do you choose which ones to add to your Coinbase Wallet zoo? Here are a few tips. Do your research. Before you go on a crypto shopping spree, understand the projects behind the tokens. Research their purpose, technology, and team. Remember, investing in crypto carries inherent risks. Align with your goals. Are you looking for established, long-term investments or exploring the high-risk, high-reward world of DeFi? Choose cryptos that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Start small and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start with a few well-established cryptos and gradually explore other options as you gain experience. Beyond storage, exploring the full potential. Coinbase Wallet isn't just a digital vault, it's a launchpad for exploring the vast crypto ecosystem. Here's what you can do. Buy and sell crypto directly. Need some crypto to fill your wallet? You can conveniently buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly within the app using various payment methods. Swap tokens. Want to convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum or explore DeFi opportunities? Coinbase Wallet's built-in swap feature allows for seamless token exchanges. Connect to DeFi platforms. The world of DeFi awaits. Connect your Coinbase Wallet to various DeFi platforms and explore a whole new dimension of crypto possibilities. Coinbase Wallet empowers you to take control of your crypto journey. With its support for a vast array of cryptos, built-in functionalities, and secure storage, it's a powerful tool for both crypto veterans and curious newcomers. Remember, the crypto world is ever-evolving, and new projects are added to Coinbase Wallet regularly. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to unleash your inner crypto explorer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.